Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about data table, assign and write line in automation anywhere. To understand with this, we are going to create one task mode. Under that, we will build one process which will showcase the real life example about covering these actions. So here the process name will be data table automations. Under this, we will add one step. Step is basically to notify the end users what we are doing it here. We'll change the step name and after that we'll add assign data table actions. So here the title I'm giving as data table and we'll use assign actions. Here we have to edit table. We'll click on this where we'll add number of rows, how many rows we want, number of columns, how many columns we want, and accordingly tables will be created. Here we can add column name. So my column name is employee ID. Second column name will be employee name. And third will be locations. Our table is ready. We have to add the value. So if you can see here, all the details we have added as first as number and rest to as string. So first employee ID is 101 where I will add the employee name. So first employee name will be Ram and locations will be Delhi. Similar way, we'll add rest employee ID and the employee name along with their location. Once it is done, we'll click on apply and here we'll back to save the outcome to the variable where we'll create one variable to store these values or to hold these values. So variable name will be dt underscore employee details. Click on create and select where our variable will be created and whenever we will run the process, these values will be iterated into the variable. Here, I want to display the data or data table data into message box. Now to display this, I will convert as the table to the string and then will showcase this value into message box. Whenever I will save and run this code, we have output generated. Now you can see here, all the data table value will be populated on message box. To work with these data tables, we can use different actions or to perform different operations. Now here I will add data table write to file actions and from there I'll select data table name. After that we'll create new folder. Within that we'll store our value either into text or into CSV file. So I've created data table automations anywhere, that is E, provide the path, and from here we'll add the file name. So my file name will be employee details dot CSV. So create folder or if file does not exist, override existing file. Here we'll add new lines and column delimiter will be comma and encoding will keep it same. Now execution will be completed. Let's see how it looks in CSV data. Whenever I will open employee details, we'll have employee ID, employee name, and locations. Exactly how we have added into our code or data table. This is how we can add a write to file where we'll have comma. Now let's make the changes to semicolon and see how it looks. Now let me open the file and you can see All the value will be available in one column where we have data separated with semicolon, which means we have data available added semicolon in between it. Similarly, we can also use new line, a column delimiter, where we'll add new line within that. We got an error, so let me try to modify it. As of now, we are using new line or others, and delimiters will be just try to see multiple permutations, combinations, and understand how it will create data for us in CSV file. Because CSV file is also treated as text file itself, now you can see we have values available in one column along with separations or segregations added with hyphen. This is how it looks. That's all from today's video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share with your circle. And if you're visiting this channel first time, feel free to add thumbs up, a like button, as well as subscribe for channel. If you wanted to learn more about Automation Anywhere, feel free to refer my complete Automation Anywhere playlist. I've also created one Udemy course which might help you to learn more about Automation Anywhere use cases. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.